Being in my position, I've seen quite a few resumes from people come over, and it's funny how they will actually list in their experiences they've gone through a conversion, because it is an experience.
We as humans, we are creatures of habit. You get used to something, and this is what you do, and we generally don't like change.
GOLDPoint was awesome, and the conversion it went smoother than we thought. You know, it was kind of like when we heard, okay, on this day we're going to convert, you know, everybody kind of panicked because it was change, and you know, a lot of times you freak out because you don't know what to expect, but it actually went great.
Once people were shown the some of the advancements, I consider the old system versus the GOLDPoint system, they came on board when they saw, you know, just things like a light clicked on that we're able to do this, and you mean we don't have to do it that way anymore? And it really, you know, was met with good reception in the field.
The systematic way that it was approached. First Franklin had a team, GOLDPoint had a team.
I was very pleasantly surprised at how well the conversion team understood our needs, allowed us as much freedom and input as we ever wanted to have.
And all of a sudden, I had somebody saying, we can change that. We can make that like you want it. Instead of us having to adapt, they adapted to us.
They did their due diligence beforehand. They knew what we wanted, what we needed.
The GOLDPoint team also brought ideas to us that we had never even thought of.
You know, there were no questions that went unanswered, and that was what I liked. Everyone was extremely patient.
We had weekly conference calls to keep on track, to make sure that we were going.
At one point, the entire whiteboard wall of the training center had issues on it, and it was fun watching those issues shrink down to just a few lines.
Everybody in the company just gave everything to the conversion process, as well as everybody at GOLDPoint.
GOLDPoint held our hand through the whole thing.
And we had projected to our board of directors when we were going to convert, and they kept it. They gave us a date. 6 months, 7 months later, we converted on the day they said we would convert.
The training in Utah was excellent. The training that was provided for us here was excellent. Just absolutely one of the smoothest things I could ask to ever go through.
If I had to go through it again, I wouldn't want to go through it with any other company.
I thought conversion was great fun. You won't have any complaints out of me for that. I could handle it again if it were with GOLDPoint, but not anybody else, I don't think.